Good day, everyone. Today we're checking out the Bunker Industries recovery tracks. Got this on Amazon Prime for $190. Got it in 2 days, so that's super fast. So let's open this bad boy up and see what this thing looks like. Alright, here is the set. Here we got the plastic recovery boards. Got the high jack here, high lift jack. This thing here looks like a nice, well casted plastic. Let's see here, I'd say these are about about 10 pounds each. Not too heavy, but this is a hard plastic. Let's see how flexible it is. Fairly sturdy, takes quite a bit of force to slightly bend it, but I believe this is good enough for the snow and sand. Going to be heading out to the beach later this week. Going to be testing that bad boy out, but this is just a unboxing video, so there's going to be another video on that. See here, the welds look pretty good, nicely well painted, no mess here, no sloppiness here. The welds look nice and fully all the way around. Paint here, here. The handle, what does it say here? Warning, who reads those? 48 inches. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing this thing out to the sand, to the beaches in a few days before summer is over. As you can see here, they got a nice little slot here. Oh, this thing here is probably around 30 pounds, 40 pounds, give or take. So yeah, oh, let's see here, just fits in just like that. And then you tie your recovery strap to your wheel or to your front frame to lift up your car, your off-road vehicle. So gonna be laying this out in the sand. Hopefully I won't get stuck, but if I do, I'm gonna be definitely using this on the dunes, the beach dunes. So all right, let me set this up and see how this mechanism works. All right, as you can see here, this lift fits perfectly onto the recovery boards. My only complaint is it's not secure enough in the middle. So I am not too sure about the stability or the reliability of having something on something so flimsy, but you know, we'll see when we're out on the beaches if this is good enough. Yeah, it does have a lot of movement, but maybe they're all like that. Anyways, yeah, let's go test out the lift and lowering feature. Alright, we got the instructions here to lower load, to raise load. You got this little thing here. So right now I got it set to raise. Let's see here, and then how do I jack this baby? Alright, got this handle in the unlock position. So as you can see, there's a pin on the bottom. Right now I got it set as the lift position. If you wanted to set it to lower, you just move this at a different position. Just check it up and down. As you can see, it moves up notch by notch. And there's the 2 pins here that locks it in place. Alright, and then after you're done, lock it back into the handle position. And let's say you want to lower your load. It says you need a minimum of 110 pounds, otherwise the lifting nose will drop. So alright, and when you do that, this whole thing will just drop just like that. Oh, be careful with that loud bang there. Definitely startled me. So anyways, that's how this thing operates. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to check it out, I got it in the link in my description. See you next time.